Which happens now and then.
Oh, yeah? Bird on a steal. Larry Bird. Picturesque.
Here's Magic off the mark. Lakers had several chances, and here's Larry Bird chugging down the court. 3:45 remaining. Steal by Eames. He has Bird.
For range, now he backs off. They go to Bird, isolated with Jay. Spins around him. Yes, sir. Bird, little fake down the lane. Oh, Larry!
It's a little different than you read in the paper. What a fake. He's not supposed to do that.
He can generate some offense by turning the ball over and getting a turnover. So Larry Bird has hit 5 in a row now and has 14 points.
Bird.
They are really working. Oh, boy. Whoa! Take that, Larry Bird. In your face as they